What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Sweetie J. As you can tell by the title, it is Taco Tuesday. But before we get into this video, let's say grace and we're going to get right on into it. Dear Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for the food. Please bless this food, make it nourish my body. Jesus Christ, I pray, amen. I hope you guys are doing good. I have a little of the organic beet juice that I've been drinking on today. I'm doing good today. It's almost that day to turn up, you feel me? Gonna say it. Girl, you better turn it up every day. But anywho, it's almost time for Sexy JB Day. And I'm ready for it. You got to sip that beet juice. I got the nacho cheese shells. I am so hungry, you guys. I'm not gonna load this thing up because I ain't gonna have nowhere to put all the toppings that I got. Today is the letter W. I'm almost about through with these alphabets, you guys. And I'm about ready to be through with it. But then what I'm gonna talk about? Lord, then what I'm gonna talk about? I don't know what I'm gonna talk about then. But rest for sure, I'm going to have something to talk about. But today is the letter W, and it stands for warm-hearted. Are you warm-hearted? Do you have sympathy for people? Do you even care about people? But anyway, I'm trying to see. I got some Pico, the loud one. Man, I'm so hungry. That video I posted up yesterday, man, about Popeye's chicken. Man, I was so mad. I was talking about literally angry. I already washed this off, you guys. I just put a little spinach on it because I don't I don't like lettuce. I like lettuce, but I'm saying this more healthy, so I'm gonna throw a few of them on there. I'm not gonna load it up because I got other stuff to put on there. But yeah, are you guys warm-hearted? I don't know. Tell me something. I like people who care, you know? And I care about people. That's probably my problem. I care too much. You know? Sometimes you can just care too much, like literally. You can't just care for everybody. But you can love everybody. You can't care for everybody. Everybody don't deserve your love. Your love, your love. Man, it feels so good outside today. I got on some shorts. Texas don't know what they want to do. But guess what? I like how they do it. I like how they do business. You understand me? I got some green onion that I'm gonna sprinkle on here. I like green onions. I love green onions. I love green onions. Let me take this off here. Yeah, guys, I love green onions. They are so good. And y'all already know I got to spice that thing good. You feel me? Good. I'm feeling good today. I'm outside with your baby. Got us with dreads, hey. But I am feeling good today. Literally feeling good. I don't want this to be running over. That's why you gotta put a little bit, because it be so messy, you know? Oh, my hair will be done tomorrow. They didn't want to do my hair yesterday, because it was consist of curls in my hair. And she want to do it the day before my birthday. So that's cool with me. I can wait. I still be looking cute with my hats on. You hear me? Mm-hmm. Why I keep forgetting I got these braces in my mouth? Because I sure would have made some corn shell. I haven't had natural shells in a long time. So that's why I wanted some of these, you know. I went to HEB. I didn't see no Taco Bell sauce. I really like Taco Bell sauce. I didn't see any. So I got this. This is their brand. That's probably why I didn't see it. Because it's their brand. Hey. Well, you know, it is nice outside. Comment down below and tell me what's the weather where you at. And once again, God is blessing me to see another year. My birthday is always warm. I think I had a couple days that it rained, but my birthday is always warm. Nice day, nice weather. It'll be a nice day, you know. I had bought these. These bags of chips cost $5. I bought these at a vape store. As you can tell, these are some Japanese chips. I was going to eat them with you guys. With a sandwich or something. I done had them about a week. They still ain't ate them. I want to share with you guys, you know. That's warm-hearted. You know, that's the word for the day. Are you warm-hearted? I want to share these with you guys. I didn't want to eat them by myself. That wouldn't be right. So I eat that by myself. Even though it's a small bag, I'm still willing to share with you guys. I'm still willing to share. I'm gonna see if you guys like them. But yeah, today, it's the letter W. Tomorrow is the letter X. I was supposed to be done with this alphabet, personality alphabet, by my birthday. I feel like I'm going into it. Not really. I've only got a couple more letters, and then I'm done. So, ooh. Of course, I got my water. Are you water drinkers? I just want to know. Because water is so good for you. Guys, when I tell you, my washing is right, still haven't came. They saying they bagged up. And I already done paid you guys like a month ago. I know y'all probably heard me, if you watched my video, heard me saying something about waiting on my washing and drying. It's been a while ago. And I still ain't got it. It's all good. The only reason why I ain't gonna complain is because I got so many clothes in my closet. But I'm gonna complain because, I mean, when it do come, I got some washing to do. You feel me? And I'm on my whole closet in my dirty clothes basket. I was thinking about going to the laundromat. But when I tell you, the laundromat, I haven't been to the laundromat in years. I went last year. I had ended up getting COVID. And I had a washer and dryer in my house. But I still got smacking. Cause they really good. Ooh. Anyway, y'all know it's my teeth. But anyway, I went to the laundromat to take my blankets to the laundromat because I didn't want them in my washer. And when I took them, a load of clothes, a washer was $10. I'm like, damn. As you know, I ain't been to no laundromat in a while. I'm talking about $10. I was like, wow. So if you going to the laundromat and paying those fees, man, it's cheaper for you to get you a wash and dry. But I understand it's kind of hard to stack your chip to try to get a wash and dry. You know, wash and dryers ain't cheap, you know. Some people gotta do what they gotta do. But me personally, I like washing and drying in my crib. It's convenient. I ain't gotta walk at the door. I don't have to sit up in that laundromat. I can wash when I get ready. I can practically move around the way I want to. You know what I'm saying? The way I want to move around. But yeah, I don't know what you're for. Man, I can believe that place called Wash and Dry cost that much now. At the laundromat. I'm talking about I am full. I had wanted to put more tacos up here. I didn't know I wasn't gonna eat them. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I mean, the shell was gonna be salty when I got ready to get to it. I'm trying to see if I can make myself eat that. But yeah, warm-hearted I am. Very much. Don't make me mad. Please don't. Because Popeye definitely ticked me off during the night. And then had a audacity to say, y'all can't do a refund for the soda. They fixed that up real quick. Don't play. And you know, this is the reason why I cook at home. When I cooked these tacos, I had my bunny on. And when I was just about done with it and set my stuff up, I went, fixed my hair, and put a hat on, and changed my shirt. You know, because I remember having hair on my clothes when I'm doing this video. Hair seems to travel and it sticks to stuff. So I don't know where and why these places don't allow the servers to wear hairnets. I hate hair. And man, I hate it. And when I find hair in the food, I don't fool with you. You know what? I was talking to y'all on the video that I had went to Wendy's, where I lived at, and I didn't go back to that place no more. And also they closed that place down. They closed Wendy's down in that area. But I'm saying, I was just talking about this. I hate hair. And that's why I like cooking at home. I know what I'm gonna get in my food when I cook it myself. Ooh, y'all, I'm full. I am full. I hate to waste a taco. Maybe I still can warm it up and eat it later or something, but the shell gonna be soft. Which how I need it, you feel me? Because I'm over here struggling. Well, you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I need them comments down below. Then go over there to Life with Lil Money. And then turn around and go over there to Our Kids, Our Family. We love you guys. Tune in. We are here for you. I know I am. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know me. You know. I love you guys. And I hope you guys are having a good day. And I'm gonna wrap this thing up. I might go outside today, because it is so pretty outside. I think tomorrow it's gonna be a little cloudy. But I'm gonna end this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave them comments down below. And just know Stacey J love you guys. Peace out.